Sitting by the creek, sun dipping low, polyrhythmic sounds warming up the soul. Sitting by the creek, sun dipping low, polyrhythmic sounds warming up the soul. Looking at the marsh where the living shoreline grows. There's a deep, deep history in how this water flows. We standing on the banks where the ancestors stood, protecting this life like we always knew we should. Yeah, the Gullah Geechee Nation, beautiful and free, keeping the balance from the river to the sea. Now science meets the spirit, opening the door to read the hidden stories, swimming by the shore. Black and marine science, stepping in the light, bringing the tools to do the culture right. Oh, we're learning from the water, diving deep down low, teaching biodiversity, watching knowledge grow. With the Gullah Geechee SEA Queen Quet leads the way, protecting every creature in the marshlands today. Yeah. The eDNA tells us who's been passing through, keeping the waters clear, keeping the culture true. Just a little drop of water holds a living trace of every single organism moving through this place. From the oysters in the bed to the blue crabs on the run, we map the biodiversity under the sea island sun. BIMS is science, 5 districts, hand in hand we stand. We're the keepers of the water, we're the protectors of the land. No need to disrupt the rhythm of the tide, just reading the code with our ancestors as our guide. Because science meets the spirit, opening the door to read the hidden stories, swimming by the shore. Yeah, BIMS is on the water, stepping in the light, with the Gullah Geechee Nation doing the future right. Oh, we're learning from the water, diving deep down low, teaching biodiversity, watching knowledge grow. With the Gullah Geechee SEA ME Queen Quet leads the way, protecting every creature in the marshlands today. Yeah, the eDNA tells us who's been passing through, keeping the waters clear, keeping the culture true.
Listen to the estuary, it's talking to you. Every fish, every shrimp, every blade of grass has a purpose. Intergenerational knowledge flowing from the roots. BIMS and the Gullah,
Geechee,
preserving the sacred truth.
we are the sea, and the sea is me.
So it's showing you exactly. And this is a liter. And that is 1 liter. Okay. Alright. So what we're going to do is just dip our hands in the water, collect the full sample. Okay, cap it. You come down here on low tide. I feel my arm long enough.
You can do it.
If not, there's a way that you can do it a little easier. Which way? If you hold your marine science. Okay, and then scoop back. Gotcha. You can just push it right in there. And then all of the gas will escape if you push the bottom down.
Push bottom down and do it like this.
That's right.
Gotcha. Let's see. Almost completely full. Should I get some
back
more?
in there? Yep. You want to put the whole thing full.
All the way to the neck.
All the way to the neck.
Well, there's plenty of water here, y'all. Get in there.
That's it. That's good enough. That's fine.
Yeah, get in there.
Get in there. Yeah.
Okay, so we have a complete
Excellent. Now we
sample
put
now.
that to the side.
All right.
So this is showing exactly how the water is without being filtered by the neck.
Ah, okay.
So if you wanted to count now, then you can use this. But this is strictly for identifying.
Okay.
Okay. So then now you can stand up now.
Okay. Because we got string like we casting nets now.
That's right. So now you can hold it.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do?
We get
Put some together.
wrap some up. I ain't gonna put in the wrist because it get caught on the bracelets.
Okay,
All right.
got it. All right, we're gonna place the net in the water
All right.
and bounce it up and down because you want to make
So
sure.
get it all the way down
That's right.
like this, and then
Yes,
bounce.
get the ring of the net. That's the mouth.
Get him down.
Get it down,
And
and then
let
fill
him
that
sink.
bottle up.
Got it.
So
And
pull
then
it up.
bounce.
Pull it all the way up. That's how you fill the bottle up. So
Ah.
now the bottle can go down too.
So he almost fall on one.
Yeah, it's
full.
almost full. Exactly.
All right, so
but
now
that's
we
okay.
go down again.
Let it go. Now you let it
Now,
go down.
too
Okay.
far?
No.
Or let it go some more.
Let it go some more.
All right, because we want to get some of that silt to the bottom. What we trying to do?
You want to take it down as far as
we can get it? Okay.
feet,
So now, is it best to do this like we're here on low tide? Is it better to do it on low tide?
You can do
Or
it
it doesn't
on
matter?
high or low. It depends on what you're looking for. So high tide will tell you what's coming in from the
Yeah.
ocean. And
Low
low tide will show you just what's remaining.
What's remaining after the
After the
fact. So you might want to do both.
You might want to do both.
And that way you can see the difference.
That's right.
Got you.
Okay,
Okay,
so once
so
it's
let's
in
try
there,
it.
we're going to start to pull
Wig
the
it.
net.
Pull it.
You're pulling it this
So
way.
dr-
That's
oh,
the
like a
towing
shrimp
process.
trawler.
There we go.
Ah,
You're
so we're
trawling it.
trolling now.
That's right. So you want to make sure you keep the
Keep
ring
the
of the
ring
net
down.
submerged. That's right.
There we
And
go.
just
He's
walk
way down in
at
there.
a moderate pace. I'm going to start a 3-minute timer, and you're going to walk back and forth.
Okay.
At your leisure.
All right. And do that.
Moderate pace.
Yeah, we got you. But we want to go further down the road and do some other locations over the
Okay.
weekend.
Oh, that's
So-
beautiful. So then I'll give you some more bottles that you
Right.
can have them all and
Okay.
analyze them at the same time.
Okay.
But you can use the same net.
Okay.
You'll just need some more.
And do we need to rinse that net out every
Yes.
time after? Okay.
Fresh water and just let
And
it hang
just
and dry.
and let it dry before you go sample again. So we wouldn't run from here now to another creek and start sampling because we would contaminate the first sample potentially. Like we might still have sediment or things from here instead of the next place or
So
what?
when it comes to the net, that's okay because you're doing so much filtering.
Yeah.
You're going to wash
So you washing it out anyway.
That's right.
Okay.
It's fine.
All right.
Just in order to store it, if it's too salty,
It'll start
break down.
deteriorating real fast. Got you. Okay, fishies. We see y'all. Y'all just want to be on video. Y'all just keep coming. All right. Say yes. I'm getting his little sampling. Go ahead, Kwame. Yeah, bring your neck down. Get your hoop down there.
That's right. And ideally, you have the net parallel to the surface of the water.
And how long can we hold it before you say, oh no, this is no longer a viable sample?
Well, for the nutrients, you can't hold it past a day.
Okay.
Okay, but for the phytoplankton, we can give you preservative, and you can hold it for 2 years.
Really?
That's right.
That long?
That long.
Wow, and so they're still alive in there because then they die. Okay, but what we'll see today, they're alive. Oh, the shape. That's the shapes you were talking about.
That's right.
Yes. Peace. Who on it?
How you doing? It's Q.
What's
So Dev's
going on?
doing a little BioBlitz out here
All right then.
on Amelia Island.
No, this ain't
This
Amelia.
is-
Yeah, we now in St. Mary's. I know we done messed you
Oh,
all
I-
up, gal.
you
We
did.
carry you all
St.
down
Mary's
the road
River.
and all. True. We
Okay,
at St.
St.
Mary's now.
Mary's
We in
River.
Kings Ferry at the St.
Kings
Mary's
Ferry.
River. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for the correction.
No problem.
Because I need to put that in my notes.
Yes, we don't want you put in the wrong place now.
So right now I'm collecting sediment samples right here on the edge of the river.
Mm-hmm.
So in that way we can send them back and get a biodiversity assessment done
Okay.
to know what's in the river. We'll get some of what's on the land. But there will be some minor water quality activities going on. We do send the samples back
Okay.
just based off of looking at differences of biodiversity in the area.
Yes.
Are there different shifts because there are more people here? Like this is a boat ramp.
Right.
So I imagine it's not the best environment for
For a lot of biological activity.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just go down a little bit more along the edge and I'll collect 4 more samples
Oh, from the same
from
area.
the same site.
Okay.
So each site I need to collect 5 sediment samples.
Okay.
I put them in these tubes that have this thing called RNA later
Mm-hmm.
in them. The RNA later stabilizes the DNA
Okay.
so that we can get the reading on the genetic code.
Ah, okay. So we're doing DNA on this
Yes,
water. Yes,
yes,
and
yes.
the creatures are in there.
Environmental DNA.
Nice. This is going to be fun. So let's check it out, y'all. It's nice. Told y'all we was going to carry y'all to the lab and things like that. Y'all out in the field with me.
Right.
This
I can't wait
part,
till we get the water samples because then I
Yeah.
need to pay some of y'all fishermen to take me out on the boat. So
Oh,
I can
that
get
ain't, that
some
ain't
out.
nothing hard. There ain't nothing hard right there. You ain't said nothing but a word on that one. The Gullah Geechee Fishing Association is glad to go out fishing any day. You need me to hold something? Oh, you got them. Yeah, don't let them fall.
You need a hand.
It's valuable stuff. Don't let nothing fall.
You know, I ain't worried about me. I'll be outside now.
Yeah, that's you. And you can swim and all that, so you good to go.
I love being
Diver swimming. I know.
And so you want to use gloves
Yeah.
because, you know, of course there'll be some human DNA in there, but you don't want a bunch of human DNA.
Right.
And then the alcohol is to sterilize by spatula between samples.
Samples,
Okay.
so that you don't cross-contaminate.
Yep. There you go. See, look at your scientists.
There you go.
Scientists all around.
Yeah, that is.
And so I typically go ahead and open up my little compass app.
All right, so you get the exact location?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So when I do my spreadsheet with my data, I have this
You have
exact location and everything. Sediment samples are the easiest for me. Okay. I got a little alcohol too if you need to wash this.
No, these. So I'm gonna step on this. I don't have to get dirty. It's all right though. Look at all this. This is beautiful.
All right. Clean it off. It's still good. All right.
I'm gonna need a few pictures for the grant, you know.
That'd be my problem right now. I don't be taking pictures. I just be
got time for
outside.
That's my problem too. See,
Like
now
we're
he's
in
ready,
the
but
moment.
I'm gonna hit Kwame
that's
up. Hey,
my
look,
problem
Kwame.
too. Like, please.
And it's so
catch the
awkward.
moments,
It's
Kwame.
so awkward. Just snap it while I'm not paying attention.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Cause now I gotta pose.
Now I'm paying attention.
All right. All right, let's see, because sometimes if you can walk in it, then you can just walk and collect the sample like this. But I ain't going too far now.
Yeah, but you don't know the area. Talking about this right here. You know when it starts hitting hard.
Biodiversity must be protected. Black and marine science on the water.
What is it you doing now, Q?
So this is how I'm grabbing the water samples right now because it's gonna have to go through a filter.
Okay.
And so essentially I'm gonna take this water, connect it to another tube with this tip on it, push it through a filter, push all the water through, and then cap the filter off, put this RNA later little drops of what was in that tube into that the filter tube and the tube with the filter, and cap it off.
Okay.
And then that'll be it. And then I'm gonna send all of these samples off to CERT to be analyzed.
All right.
Now this is one of the critical places. If you look down in here, oh yeah, let me see.
Come on.
This is a good spot. Oh, maybe if you go further down on the corner with it, you might be able to get some sediment. I don't think you'll get no water. No water, yeah. But go on that lower part and see if you can get any without having to get down in there, because we ain't got all day to be pulling you back out. You see all the little minnows in there? And then the oysters and everything. All
She's gonna teach y'all about tomorrow. So she's actually doing part of our BioBlitz right now. All right. So that's why she's collecting sediment samples. But y'all gonna learn some more about it. She's done sediment samples up and down the Gullah Geechee Nation. So I told her, yeah, make sure she's here today.
Or you know
so
what?
I didn't want her to miss this, so she could get this sediment sample here.
Riding out with the tide.